Hey guys, this is Martin here from DFFP Pros, and we are getting to the point where we're going to set up your pixels right now. But first of all, let's just recap. We've done your ad copy, hooks and images. We've set up the landing page. We've integrated and set up Aweber on your pages. That was obviously optional. We have set up the application form on your landing pages or in ClickFunnels and also in Woofu, and we've integrated it. And the thank you page is obviously the thank you page on ClickFunnels, the code. Now we get to the Facebook part where we're going to set up your pixel. Now I'm not going to do a lot of things with this pixel or explain exactly how it works. All I want you guys to do right now is just get some results, really. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go into your ads manager and make sure that your ad account is selected here. I've obviously got a few ad accounts there, and what you want to do is make sure you're on your ad account, the one that you're gonna advertise from. So select these three little lines here at the top left. If your platform doesn't really look like mine, there's a lot of people that I work with whose platforms look a little bit different, but the functionality is always the same. So if yours isn't laid out exactly as mine, then just try your best to find what we're looking for. So what we're looking for here is obviously your pixels. So if it's not shown up here, you just go all tools and it will show you your pixel right here. So you're going to click on your pixel, and there's two things that we want to do with this pixel. But before we get to that, let's just find our original pixel. So if yours look like here, if yours look like this, you can either go to actions and view your pixel code, or you go to this little eye here and say view pixel code. But let's keep it simple. We're going to click on, make sure it's Facebook pixel. You click in your actions, you say view pixel code, and it's going to say your pixel code might look a little bit different than this. If it says this, there's two ways of installing it. Just let me know and I'll walk you through it again. But what you want to do is copy this. Most of you guys will basically have the old platform, or the old, it's not been updated yet. Mine looks a little bit different than most people's anyways, because I work so closely with Facebook. So copy that code. And then where you want to do it is like, I've made a section here, it says pixel code, first landing page, view pixel. That's all you need to know right now is like, just paste your code there. So it will be something looking like that. Facebook pixel code, blah, 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 all that sort of type of thing, okay? That is for the first page. Now, depends, if you have if you're gonna do the email marketing, this will be, I will show you how to integrate it right now. But this, let me just find it. This will be the code on this page, and then the other code that we're going to get right now will go in the second page. So if you have opted out of the email opt-in one, then your first page will be your application page, and your second page will be your thank you. But if you have the email page, the first page will be your email, and the second code will be on your application page. I hope that makes sense. Sometimes this stuff still confuses me. So first landing page, view pixel. Okay, so you need to install that. You've got that code here. Now comes the key. You need this code, copy it, and then paste it where it says second landing page lead pixel. Okay, that's very, very important. You paste the same code. So second landing page, first landing page. But we need to modify. It says here don't modify, but most of you guys will have the old code, and I'll show you how we're going to modify this code. So go back to the membership website. You will see I've added a little code here that says lead. Copy that. Go back to your document where it says second landing page lead pixel. Then look through the code here, and you're going to see this Facebook queue track page view. So you see that? So just after that colon, press enter, and then paste that lead code in there like so. So it says page view and lead. You see that? So that's what you got to do with your code. So where do we put this code right now? Number one, we take first landing page view pixel. So we're going to set this on the first landing page. Whichever you've opted for, if you've gone for the email or the application page, doesn't really matter. It just needs to be the first one that's in this funnel. So in this case, I'm still using the email opt-in. So I want to go and edit this page. Want to edit that page. Then I want to go to settings top right, and I will scroll down to say tracking codes. Click on that, and then it will say header custom tracking. That's where I paste the first code in, just like so. Then I'm going to save it. Now I'm not going to save it because I don't want you guys to have my codes and vice versa. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. Just let's take that out. So your code will be your first code, which is the first landing page view pixel. That code is the one that you're going to paste into the header custom tracking here. Then you're going to save. Okay. Now we exit. Then we go to the second page, which is your application page, and we're going to edit that page as well. And then we also go into the settings, the tracking code. Now this tracking code is the number 2 tracking code. So if we go second landing page lead pixel, that code, remember it's got that lead little bit of code in there. So we take that, we copy it, just like so. We go back to our landing page and we paste it in there like so. So now you see page view, lead, boom. Then save. So I'm going to take that out again, then save, and then exit. And that, my dearest friends, is all you need to know right now in terms of how your lead pixel or these 2 pixel codes are working right now. So this first code on the first page, the second code on the second code on the second page. It's easy as that. Just do that and we'll get to update. You'll see how all of this ties in together at a later stage. Okay, so this is Martin done for FitPros. I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.